guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a fashion haul for you guys. Now this is not like a huge haul, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. I got certain pieces from different stores and I wanted to put it all together. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. I'm so excited about this one because I found some really great pieces and I wanted to share with you guys. But before we begin, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. I do post 3 days a week, so you will be seeing me Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And also do not forget to click that notification bell so that way YouTube notifies you every time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into it because you guys know me, I tend to ramble on and I just want to get to the video and show you guys what I got because I know this is what you guys came for. So I'm going to show you what I got at Walmart first. Now, the first thing that I picked up are these earrings right here. And honestly, I do not know why I did not wear these in the video, but I love these so much. So it's more like a tortoise design. And this is the Sugar Fix by Bubble Bar. So Bubble Bar is working with Target and they do call the line Sugar Fix. It is more of an affordable line because the Bubble Bar is actually really expensive and they kind of make it more like an affordable line. And they bring it at Target so that way it will be more affordable for all of us. But this one is $12.99. I do think that it is an amazing price, and the reason why I really love these is that they are lightweight. So even though they are rather like really huge and out there, but they are lightweight, and I do think that they are very like chic and they're timeless. I try to get jewelry that is timeless because I don't like to buy pieces that I know I'm just going to wear a little bit and then I get bored of. I kind of really think like, am I going to wear this? And if I know I will pick it up. So for this being $12.99, I do think it's a really great price. And this is nickel free, which I do appreciate because I am very sensitive. Like my ears are very sensitive to certain earrings. So if I wear any type of earrings that have nickel in it, I do notice that my ears start itching and then it starts hurting. So I do appreciate that. I actually already worn these several times and I wore them the whole day. It didn't hurt my ears whatsoever. So I do think that the nickel in the jewelry pieces that are like not real metal, it does like make my ears hurt. So if you don't have that sensitivity, then I guess it doesn't matter. But for those of you guys that do, I do think that is really cool that they don't put nickel in these jewelry pieces. So anyways, yeah, there's that. Let me show you guys a close-up of these. They are so gorgeous. And this you can match with so much. The only thing is my hair is really dark. It is like a dark brown. So I feel like these almost get lost with my hair. So whenever I wear these earrings, I do wear my hair up in a bun or in a ponytail. Because if I wear my hair down with these, you really can't tell I'm wearing earrings because I feel like they kind of like camouflage. Only thing that will show is probably this gold piece, and I want the whole effect of these. Like I want these to be the showstopper, and I really want my outfit to pop with wearing these whenever I do. So yeah, if you have dark hair like me, just know that if you're gonna buy earrings like this, I do recommend that you wear your hair up. And then another pair of earrings that I got from Target are these right here. These are by Universal Thread and they are also nickel free, which I really appreciate. Now Universal Thread is more of like the more affordable jewelry pieces, and even the clothing are more affordable. And I do think, if I'm not mistaken, they are like the junior line, but as far as the jewelry goes, they are more affordable. So when I seen these, I had to get them. They were only $7.99. And I did see that they had these for like several months. And when a girl on YouTube showed this in her haul, I had to pick it up. I was so happy. Like when she was styling it and showing it how it looks, I had to pick it up. I really love them. I do think that they're very like chic and just, I don't know, just the look of it is just really, really nice and different. But at the same time, for me, it is classy and timeless. So I did get these. And then moving on to Papaya, I got two things at Papaya. The first one is like one of my favorite finds there. It is just gorgeous, guys. This, I cannot believe the price. So this was 19.95. It is like a faux fur jacket, and I cannot believe this was $20. So they do also have this in the color black leopard, and there's another color that I don't remember, but they're all 19.95, and they're just amazing. I was so amazed by this quality. I just love it. When I seen it, I had to pick it up. I grabbed it so fast. Now it does not have any pockets, which I love. It is like a coat, like a faux fur coat. And the thing I love about this, guys, is that it doesn't make me look like huge. I don't know about you guys, but because I have a large chest, I have a 34 triple D, a lot of coats like this tend to make me look like huge, and that's not the look I'm going for. So when I seen this and I actually just quickly put it on to see how it looks, I fell in love with it that I had to get it right away. I was so happy with this. So if you see this, I highly advise that you pick it up because it is gorgeous. I think it is like so chic. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this color. It is gorgeous. And I am planning on actually wearing this with this sweater right here, which I got at Walmart. But look at this. It is so soft, so amazing, so comfortable. I did get this in a size small, and I do usually get my coats in a size medium, but with this I got in the small because I feel like it runs rather large. So if I was to get in the medium, it looks kind of frumpy rather than chic. So I do recommend you size down on this, but this is just so gorgeous. I mean, look at this. It is amazing. It's almost like a pink chic Christmas. I just love it. Look at this. Gorgeous. So there's that one. And the other thing that I had to pick up are these heels right here. So I've been on the hunt to find some heels like this for a very long time, and I am so happy that I found them. These are about 2.5 inches, and I really appreciate that because when it comes to heels like this, I don't like to have like a super high heel. First of all, I have a 1-year-old baby, and my fear is falling on my face and holding my baby and my baby getting hurt. I don't know if you moms are the same like me, but I have that fear and I am not about to risk it. But then again, I've been into like the smaller heel like this. Like the highest I'll go is like 3 inches, maybe 3.5 is an exception. Maybe. Well, it just is very rare, but usually I will go for like 2.5 inches to 3 when it comes to this style. So it's like really chunky block heel. It is gorgeous. They're super comfortable. Now they do have these also in the color nude. Again, I do think these are perfect if you want to give somebody like a Christmas gift and you know that they're into heels. They're $20, guys. You cannot beat it. And I love the way the strap, like how the strap is right here. Again, like I said, they're very, very comfortable. Now, I have not worn these, but with a heel like this and the way it is in the strap, I can already tell when something's comfortable on me or not because I do have white feet. So when I put something on and I know that it's gonna hurt me, I do not buy it. Like for me, comfort is number one. I don't care how cute something is. If it's not comfortable, I just will not wear it. And these are just amazing. The strap is really nice and soft, but at the same time, they're really nice quality. So had to get these. They're amazing. I did not get them in the nude because I have something like this in the nude, so I didn't feel like it's necessary. And then last but not least, I got two things from Claire's. Now I usually don't shop at Claire's, but as I was walking, I seen their sign where it says like 10 for 10. So if you purchase 10 items, they're $10, so basically it's $1 a piece. But if you don't purchase 10 items, it's gonna end up being a $2 each. So I only found 2 pieces and I only got 2. I didn't feel the need to get 10 items in order to get it for $1 a piece. I used to have the mentality, but now I'm like, you know what? If I only find 2 pieces and I have to pay $1 extra for each item to get it, I'm okay with that because for me, that's still wasting money if you're spending $10 to get it for $1 for like, what's the purpose if you're not gonna wear it? You know what I mean? So anyways, the first item that I found that I actually fell in love with is this right here. Now it does say it's $5, but it's not. It was $2 and they are just so gorgeous. I do think these are like really chic and I was looking for something like this for a very long time. So I was so excited to get it. I was debating on getting something like this on Amazon, but they were like, I think like $13. And when I seen them at Claire's, I just had to pick them up. These are the sensitive solutions. So basically, if you have sensitive ears, it will not make your ears itch or hurt. And I do have sensitive ears, so I do appreciate that they did that. So there's the first ones. They are gorgeous. And Claire's tends to have that sell a lot where they say that if you purchase like 10 items, it ends up being $10, or sometimes it's like 12 for 12. But like I said, I only got two. So the last one are these right here. So they're like really dainty, small, I guess, hoop earrings. And it has a initial. Now I got the E because my baby's name starts with the letter E. And I actually wanted to get the one with the A so I can have an E and an A for my girls' names, my girls' initials. So I would have one in one ear with the A and the other one with the E. But what sucks is that I could not find the A. So I was kind of disappointed because I was really hoping that I would find the A and have it like that, but it's okay. So this is how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see that. They're really small and dainty, but I do think they're very chic. And the thing is, you can remove the E if you want and just have it as a small hoop if that's what you prefer. But I do like it with the E. I do think they're really, really cute. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching and you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.